In this video, we will be discussing on human resource in hospital management. Okay. Introduction. India has a historical background of absorbing managerial ideas and practices from all around the world. The roots of management principles and the prevalence of human resource practices can be traced to the world's first management book called Arthashastra, written 3 millennia before Christ, which highlighted many aspects of human resource practices that was performed in the ancient India. The social cultural roots of Indian heritage are diverse and have been drawn from multiple sources, including the ideas brought from other parts of the world. So, hospital. So, according to the Directory of Hospitals in 1988, it was defined as a institution which is operated for medical, surgical, and obstetrical care of inpatients, which is treated as an hospital by central and state government, local, private, and licensed by appropriate authority. Okay. So, need for human resource management in healthcare. Human resource HR managers oversee employees' administrative affairs in an organization. The benefits of HR department have gradually gained recognition in healthcare owing to such challenges as economic instabilities, healthcare regulations, and experienced personnel. The American Society of Healthcare Human Resources says that the presence of HR manager in a healthcare facility is essential in delivering effective services. A well-motivated, appropriate, and skilled deployed workforce is crucial to the success of any organization and especially for health delivery system. The actual methods used to manage human resources in healthcare are in themselves a major constraint or facilitate in achieving the objectives of the healthcare organization. HR job description in healthcare. So, what are the various roles or what are the various functions the HR team performs? So, they are the recruiters, compensation managers, HR generalists, training and development managers. Okay, so what are the practices that HR team performs in an healthcare organization? They are staffing and placement that involves recruitment, induction. So recruitment, getting inside an making suitable work individual getting into an organization. Induction, aligning the recruited individual into a into the required and placing them in a required position in an organization. So this is the two important functions of staffing and placement. Legal research on healthcare. So there are certain health related laws that has to be followed, even in recruiting people in the hospital or during clinical and non-clinical practices, and the disputes are arising during employee contracts. So these are some legal activities that are actively taken care by the HR professionals. The management of employees, the another important function or role that HR team performs is management of employees. So what are the different things that are involved in their management? Involves training. So once the suitable person is recruited into the organization, they are trained for the specific skill to be performed in the organization. Then based on the training, they will be placed in a specific team and their performance is monitored regularly, and with their performance monitoring, they are given appraisals, either positive appraisals or negative appraisals, and to have and to provide psychological, physical, and mental satisfaction to the person who's doing the job. Thereby, he will be retained in the job for its job satisfaction. Okay. So, decision making. Another important function of HR team is their decision making. So they are. So what are the benefits the employees would receive? So once they perform very well in their roles, what is the so how do you provide the incentives to these people, either by promotion, either by increase in the salary, etc. And also for a given recruited individual, what is the Career plan. So what is the career plan, or what is the next levels, or that this person who's been recruited in the organization will go through. So these are some steps or some principles that HR team take into account during their functioning in an organization such as an hospital.